What I'm about to show you in this video, it may look like it came out of a movie or anime show. But all that is as real as the sun. There are in the Tibet Plateau and in China medicineless hospitals. These hospitals do not have high-tech machines, gadgets, scanners, or surgeries, but their healing is based on traditional forms of healing. Now, it is not like you can go there, make a booking, and go into the clinic, and voila, you are healed. No. To do that healing session, they ask you to change the way you eat, to be based on healthy foods, to change the way you move your body, to use forms of physical movements like Tai Chi. They teach the patient to change the way of thinking and feeling. The patients have to change the way of life that put them in the present condition. Only after the patient finished this preparation is he or she ready to undergo this healing session. What are you about to see is a healing session of a woman who was diagnosed with bladder tumor. After the doctors told her about her irreversible state, she decided to go to the traditional healing. I have to explain that in the session, the woman is fully accepting the healing that is done to her. She expects that, she embraces the feeling of being healed, and she surrenders herself to the experience of healing. In the session, there are 3 practitioners that are standing near her that use inner technologies to heal the women. This inner technology is a form of Qigong and breathing technique where the practitioners send energy to the sick woman body. In the video, there is also another person who is a technician with an ultrasound, which has an old-fashioned monitor. The old-fashioned monitor is a split screen, where in the left you have a screenshot, a freeze frame of the image of the cancer on the patient, on their bladder. And on the right side you will see in real time what is happening to the cancer on the bladder. So, you can compare what was before and what is happening in real time as a result of these traditional modalities of healing. What you are about to see is a healing session in real time that lasts 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Another thing I want to mention is that the practitioners use an expression in Chinese that translates as, "It is already healed." The expression itself is not important. It does not have any magic. But it is merely used as an anchor for the practitioners to be more focused on the image and the feeling of the woman being healed, as they spread that energy to the woman. So, with me saying all that, let's take a look at the session. You can see the woman tummy and the practitioners waving their hands. Now, as we see at the split screen, to the left we have the freeze frame. The curve in the image is the floor of bladder. The blackness is the emptiness of the bladder, and the lump is the tumor. On the right side, we see in real time the effect of the practitioners on the woman's body. See and compare what happens on the right side with the left side. And as we can see, the lump of cancer is removed totally. Now, when we see things like this, we consider them a miracle. But that is a miracle until we find the reasons why it happens, and then it becomes a methodology, it becomes science. That was all for today, folks. Hope I was of service. See you next time.